Okay, so good morning everyone. So, ang i-discuss natin for today is yung loop control statements. So, that includes the while loop, do while loop, and then the for loops. Okay? So, itong mga loops na to, or tinatawag nating loop control statements, is na-discuss na rin sa programming 1 nyo. Okay? So, we are just going to have a refresher on that lesson. Okay? So, actually, this lesson is rather will be part of your further topics. Okay, so that includes arrays and then structures and then functions and all that lesson. Okay, so let's proceed. So objectives, we are going to discuss about for loops, while loops, do while loops, and nested loops. Okay, so loop control statements, you may encounter situations when a block of code needs to be executed several number of times. In general, statements are executed in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement of or group of statements multiple times. Okay? So, itong loop control natin is kapag may code ka na gusto mong ulitin, hindi mo na siya kailangan like i-copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, ganyan. And you can just instead put the code inside a for loop. Okay? So what, or rather while loops or do while loops. So depending on the situation and then the code you want to, or rather the function you want to pursue. Okay, so we have three loop control statements in C language. So we have for loop, while loop, do while loop. So for loop in C, so the syntax would be like this. We have for tapos init condition and then the increment and then the statements inside the for loop. Okay, so how do we type that in C language? Okay, so I'm just going to initialize a counter variable. Okay, so int I is equals to 0. Okay, let's say I want to print this word, okay, multiple times, diba? Piprint ko siya ng multiple times. Okay, so we can do this, but when it comes to programming, this is not the best way you can do, or hindi ito yung magandang way para gawin yung ganitong type of like yung mga multiple loops, ganyan. Okay, so hindi po pwede yung ganito, though you can do this, but you shouldn't have to. Okay, but instead we are going to put that on a loop. Okay, so the first loop is the C language. Okay, the for loop. Okay, so sorry, so this is the syntax. Okay, so I'm just going to code that, and then we are going to put a parenthesis here. Okay, so I'm just going to add the magnifier here. Okay, so I is equals to 0, I is lesser than, let's say I'm going to loop the word salamat po for like 10 times. Okay, so lesser than 10, actually we can do like 9, because why? Bakit hindi po siya 10? Kasi our index always starts with 0. Okay, so I starts with 0 instead of 1. Okay, so take note of that. Though you can do it like this one. Okay, this way, ito is 10 lang din. Okay, ito rin naman is 10 din po. Okay, so that 0 to 9 is 10 numbers. Bakit? Kasi yun nga, si 0 is also a number. And then after we initialize our condition, I'm going to put another semicolon here and then our increment value. Ibig sabihin po niya, madadagdagan po si I ng ng 1 after ma-print yung natin, yung nasa loob ng code na to, ay nasa loob ng for loop. So ano yung code na yun? Printf salamat po. Okay, ibig sabihin niyan, uulit to ng 10 beses. So kada print po nito, ci ito, si increment value natin, yung I++ na yan, actually, same lang po yan sa ganito, ganyan. Si I is madadagdagan ng 1. So, kapag nadagdagan na ng 1 si I, yun po yung magiging bagong value na I. Okay? So, yan. And then, we can put it like this or we can put it like this. Okay? So, yan. So, bakit nadadagdagan si I? Ano pong function, ano pong use ni I? Okay, so ito kasi nag-start tayo sa 0, di ba? So, kapag nadadagdagan ng 1 si I, let's say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Ngayon, iti-testing ni I yung mga ano natin, yung si I kung anong value niya. So, is I lesser than 9? Hindi na, mga ganun. Okay, so, balik tayo sa una. Let's say, for example, si I natin is 1. Is I lesser than 9? Ano bang value na I natin? 1, di ba? So, I is less than 9. So, true. That is a true condition. Therefore, ipiprint niya to ng isang beses. Okay? Ngayon, babalik po ulit tayo dito sa for loop. Magiging, dahil sa increment natin, nadagdagan ng 1 si I. So, this will be 2. Ngayon, testing ulit natin. Is I lesser than 9? Ano ba? Ano ba yung value na I natin? Diba 2? So, 2 lesser than 9 is true. Therefore, ipiprint ulit natin to. Yan. Tapos, since true yung statement natin, babalik ulit tayo dito sa for loop. Hanggang sa maging 9 po yan. Ngayon, is I lesser than, is I lesser than 9? False. Bakit? Kasi 9 is not less than 9. Kasi equals po siya. Okay? So, 9 equals 9. Yun po yung totoong statement dyan. Or that would prove this condition false. Okay? So, since false na po yung statement natin, skip niya na po yung hindi na po siya magpiprint and then magpro-proceed na po siya dito sa code sa baba. Okay? So, testing po natin to. Testing po natin. So, I'm just going to run this code. Okay? So, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, we can also fix this. Okay, so, yes. I'm sorry. Dapat 10 po yan. Okay? So, ulitin ko na lang. So, yan. 10 na po yan. Okay? 10, 10, 10. Okay? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, that is 10 numbers. Yung kanina kasi nilagay ko 9. Actually, parang 9 numbers lang siya kasi mag-stop siya sa pang 8 na number. Okay? So, ganito po yan. Okay. So, we can skip this one. Okay? So, for A is less than 10, A is lesser than 15, printf the value of A, %D. Yan. So, ito, mag-i-start siya sa A, ay sa 10. Kasi, yung A natin, dito, sa part na to, is nag-start sa 10. So, therefore, mag-i-start siya sa 10. As you can see here, pinapakita ni printf si value ng A. So, the while loop is also similar to for loop, but this is much more like convenient. A while loop in C programming repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. So while condition statements. Okay, so paano po yan? So balik tayo sa code natin kanina. Let's say I'm going to print this 10 times. Okay, using while loop. Okay, so we can do this while I is lesser than 10, printf salamat po. Yan. Or we can use another example instead. So number %d \n. Okay, so bakit ako naglagay dyan ng %d? Gusto ko ipakita yung value ni I as time goes on. Okay, so ganyan po. And then I'm going to run this. Okay, so o nga pala, paano nangyari yung ganun? Bakit dire-diretso tayo? Because we forgot to add the increment value. Yung kanina kasi, si for loop natin is meron siyang increment dito sa taas na to. So, ito, si while loop kasi, dapat meron din siyang increment sa dulo. Hindi siya dumadagdag, ayun nga, kasi yung value ng I natin is 0. So, lagi po siyang 0. So, is 0 lesser than 10? True. Print natin to. Ngayon, since wala tayong increment kanina, 0 pa rin yung value ng 10 ng I natin. So, is 0 lesser than 10? True. Print. Is 0 lesser than 10? True. Print. Is 0 lesser than 10? Totoo. Tapos, piprint niya ulit. Paulit-ulit po siyang nagpiprint kasi nga hindi gumagalaw yung value natin. Itong condition na ito is laging true. Hindi po siya nagiging false. So, para maging false siya, para ma-stop yung loop natin, dapat si I is gumagalaw. Dapat umaakyat yung value ni I. Hindi dapat siya laging 0. So, I++. Ang katumbas ng I++ is I equals I plus 1. Okay? So, we can print this. Okay? So, as you can see, nag-start tayo sa 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sir, paano po yung gusto kong mag-start sa 1 and then mag-end sa 10? You can do this like equals and then change this to 1. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or, you can do this 0 tapos I plus 1 here. Dito, hindi mababago yung value ni I natin. Okay? Sa display lang po siya nababago. Hindi niya ina-alter yung value ni I. Okay? So, as you can see, nag-end tayo sa 11. Diba? So, yan. You can also, dito, mag-end tayo sa, mag-start tayo sa 0, mag-end tayo sa 11. Oops. Saan ba yun? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that, I was saying na magkakaroon tayo ng 11 numbers. Okay, so yan. So the next loop we are going to discuss is the do-while loop. Okay, so do-while loop, actually, a do-while loop is similar to a while loop except that the condition is evaluated at the end of the loop. Okay? So, mas nauuna yung code natin kaysa doon sa condition. Parang baliktad na while loop. Parang gawin mo to habang ganito. Yun. Okay, so, I'm going to show an example. Actually, parang fast track na lang to kasi alam ko na pag-aralan nyo na to sa programming 1 nyo. So do bracket, do printf number %d \n and then let's say the I. Yan, piprint natin si I habang si I natin is lesser than 10 semicolon. So, dito, maglalagay din ako ng I is equals to I plus 1. Okay? So, let's try. So, as you can see, gumana pa rin siya. Wala namang masyadong problema when it comes to do while loop. Okay? So, it's your own preference actually. Depending on slight consideration sa paggamit mo ng codes, like depende sa block of codes mo, ganyan. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 numbers. Okay. So, ito is similar lang din naman sa while loop. Okay. So, yan. If you have any questions, send na lang po doon sa GC natin. And yes, let's proceed with the array lesson.